can talk to God, go banging on his door. You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock. You can move mountains, you can break rocks. You can be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself. Stand in the Hall of Fame. Come on. And the world's gonna know your name. Woo. 'Cause you burn with your brightest flame. Yes, you do. And the world's gonna know your name. Oh yeah. See the other walls in our hearts. You can go to distance, you can run a mile. You can walk straight through hell with a smile. You can be a hero, you can get the goal. Breaking all the records, say the color of be broke. Do it for your people, do it for your pride. Whoever gonna know, can never be been tried. Do it for your country, do it for Shalom. 'Cause it's gonna be a day when you're standing in the Hall of Fame. Be a champion, let me see you. Be a champion, everybody, be a champion. Come on, be a champion. It's your turn. You can be a champion. Yes, you can be a champion. Yeah, we can be champion. We can be. Yo, oh, we can be. Oh. Come on, oh, oh, oh. You should see the tours that I'm on. I see you standing there next to mom, both singing along, yeah, arm in arm. 'Cause there are days when I'm losing my faith, because the man wasn't good, he was great. He said music was a home for your pain, then explained I was younger, he would say, take that range, put it on the pace, with the pace in the stage, pull the roof off the place. I'm trying to make you proud, do everything you did, I hope you're up there, but God said, and I still love for your face in the crowd. Oh, if you could see me now. Would you stand in the space I'm taking now? Oh, if you could see me now. Yeah, if you could see me now. Yeah, come on. Woo. Yeah, yeah, yeah. If you could see me now, would you recognize me? Would you pat me on the back? Would you criticize me? Would you follow every line on my tear-stained face? Put your hand on a heart that was cold to the day you were taken away. I know it's been a while, but I